Here we have a 66 plate BMW 320d M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get the 19-inch alloy wheels, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. Coming to the front here, you'll notice that the vehicle itself is finished in a black sapphire metallic exterior paintwork. We've also got the M Performance kit on this vehicle, giving it that aggressive styling. Coming round to this corner, you'll see your second 19-inch alloy wheel. We've got colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, black side skirts down below, shark fin antenna on top. Coming to the rear, you've got your black spoiler lip, which really sets the back end off nicely, as well as the black diffuser down at the bottom there as well. Dual exit exhaust on the left hand side. We've also got reversing parking sensors with visual display inside, and as you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now let's go on to the interior next. You'll notice we've got a full black leather interior, and how fantastic do these seats look. ISO fixed points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre. You've got your gloss black trim on the doors there with the electric window controls, brushed metal handles and integrated Harman Kardon sound system. Coming into the front now, we've got that same full leather interior. Again, how great do these seats look. Now these seats are also heated, and then on the doors you'll notice that Harman Kardon sound system yet again, gloss black trim, electric wing mirror controls with electric window controls just beside, brushed metal handles as well, auto lights on your right just there, multifunctional steering wheel, speed limiter and cruise control, and there is a look at the interior. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 320d. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you'd expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Starting off, we do have cruise control and speed limiter on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll press the cruise control button, push up on the trigger, and we're now cruising at our current speed. To deactivate this, we can either press cruise control again or apply pressure to the brakes, and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 6th gear, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, and down into 3rd. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now there are plenty of great features to talk about in this car. Of course, the comfort levels are definitely something to talk about, with the full black leather interior, which not only looks great but is also incredibly comfortable, especially with the heated seat functions as well. You've then got plenty of great features on the infotainment screen, like your satellite navigation. You've also got Bluetooth phone connectivity, which ties in perfectly with the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. We are also a 5-star dealership. If you look online, you'll see we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there. Straight into reverse. As you can see, we've got our reversing parking sensors on the screen as well. And now let's drive over the speed bump here as well. There we go. And as you can tell, completely free from any knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, I'm not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walk around or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.